In this episode, things so far seem okay with Internet Explorer, right? Okay, so what you're going to do, just thought you should know that today is 2020 January.
Oh, exclusive offer.
Oh, you
Why
got
is
an
that
exclusive
me?
offer? Oh, no, that's not you. It's someone who looks like you. That's a thing.
That's me, because I know that top.
That's right. So open up Supermium.
Okay.
It's just in the start menu.
Yeah. Ah.
What?
No.
It uses the Windows update system. Upgrade successful, click close. So as you can see, Vista is very nice. What?
And very Mac-like.
Will Dinah fall for any of these crazy pranks? Keep watching to find out. So here you are on the desktop of Windows XP. Your first task is, what time is it?
2:58 a.m.
You really think that would be what we're doing today? You've done XP and all of this. No, I'm just joking. I want to show you something special today. There is, Internet Explorer. Open it up. This is a major problem for XP users in 2025.
It looks like your keyboard is working correctly.
No, that's Clippy. That's he's
Okay.
the annoying minute. Double click Internet Explorer, sorry. Okay, so here we are on Internet Explorer. Mm-hmm. You've got Windows XP, and this is what it's like.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
No, but is there a problem?
Why is there Vista there?
Oh no, that's if later on I want to update to Vista, but that's not right now. Right now, I want you to try. You want to access our YouTube channel. Go ahead.
But where's the thing to type in? There's no...
That's not what's supposed to be difficult here. That's where you usually type in YouTube.
Yeah, but normally there's a...
Oh, like
a
Google?
thing.
Oh, we'll type in google.com then if you really want to get to Google. Then enter. Okay, so google.com. Things so far seem okay with Internet Explorer, right? Okay, so what you're going to do, just thought you should know that today is 2020 January 12th.
Oh, exclusive offer.
Oh, you
Why
got
is
an
that
exclusive
me?
offer. Oh, no, that's not you. It's someone who looks like you. That's a thing.
That's me, because I know that top.
No, that's someone that looks like you.
That's not someone
That's
that looks like me. That is me.
Look, a lot of people look like that, okay?
Not a lot of people look like that. I look like that.
Yeah, but you're famous. Well, maybe they've used your image for this complete wireless surveillance system.
But they can't do that without my permission.
No, well, you're famous. You're on YouTube.
I'm not famous. We're only a minor channel.
Look, YouTube recently asked me...
Not available for home use.
Okay, just close that.
I want to know why they've used my picture. And look, even part of your bed's there.
Okay, well, our YouTube channel, I recently got asked by YouTube if we're allowed to use it in AI training data sets. No, I really did. AI training data sets. I just
don't believe a thing you say.
Okay, so just close...
No, because the number of pranks you've done on me, I just don't believe anything you say now.
Just close that off.
This is you've done this. This is not a real ad, yep.
Okay, now, you want to access YouTube. So this is a huge problem with XP users, okay? Come on, like, a lot of time has passed.
YouTube, okay.
YouTube. Okay.
But what if we get in a virus?
Maybe try again. We're having issues. This is the issue with an old browser. It's really hard
Well, why don't we use a new browser?
I'll get to that in a moment. Can you just type in youtube.com and the page cannot be displayed? The problem with the old Internet Explorer that comes with XP, your posture seems to be degrading. Please reposition yourself now. The problem...
How can it know how I'm sitting?
Well, it can see.
Pop
Just
up
close that.
Prank. April Fool's. Gotcha.
Okay, I did do a pop-up prank on you. Remember that picture of you? I thought I'd just do a little
I knew
prank
it.
on you.
It doesn't surprise me.
Okay, this is version 6.0, right? The problem is it's not compatible with new websites anymore. If we type in Wikipedia and...
But the Internet Explorer, we'll just use something else.
What
Chrome.
do you use? I'll use Chrome? Okay,
Yeah,
so
Chrome
let's
will do.
Chrome. So you want to download Chrome. We can't download Chrome.
Why?
It's just not compatible. There's issues. Maybe if we go to Bing.
Is this so? All these things are just not compatible with XP.
Because XP's lost support a long time ago. Bing.com. Well, the website's not displaying properly.
But why would you want to use XP anyway? It's outdated.
Well,
I don't
some people
understand.
are still using it. They haven't updated yet.
Well, this is a big incentive to update.
Okay, even if you could download Chrome and Firefox and that kind of thing on this, they're not made for XP anymore. So you go to download Chrome. Sorry, we don't make Chrome for XP anymore. So basically, this browser is so outdated
You can't do anything. It's
that
useless.
it can't access the internet. And even if you did try and download Firefox and Chrome, they don't support XP anymore.
Then how do you upgrade this thing if you can't even get the internet on?
Well, that's what I've got some news for you today. We're going to be looking at something called Supermium, which fixes this major problem in Windows XP.
So basically it's for the people that have been left behind and left it way too late to upgrade.
That's right, and you can continue...
And can't upgrade via the normal mechanism, which is through the browser, etc.
That's right, so open up Supermium.
Okay.
It's just in the start menu.
Yeah.
What?
No.
Just open it up.
No, I'm not falling. It's going to jump everywhere. I can see it.
Try
this is a silly thing you're doing.
If you're actually very fast, you can click on it. No, actually, maybe not, because it's right where the record button is. If you're a smart computer user, you'd remember there's a button on the keyboard you can press to open the start menu. So Supermium.
And it's still trying to go away from me.
It's
Even though
your
it's
monitor
open.
is operational. Clippy was known to be pretty useless. Anyway, so Supermium.
Mm-hmm.
And what does Supermium do? Well, it's a modification of Chrome that is made to work
It even
with...
looks like
It is.
Chrome
It's literally a
would be,
modification. You probably feels pretty familiar and
Yeah,
stuff.
it does.
So if you type in YouTube now...
It'll work.
Absolutely. Yep, enter. And YouTube. And see, that worked fine.
There we go.
But look, OSFirstTimer, and it works. So this browser, Supermium, allows Windows XP users to continue using the internet.
Ridiculous.
Yeah,
That's
okay.
his...
So close now the browser.
Close the browser, yep.
It says your Windows desktop icons are still there. So what do you think of Supermium? And what do you think of Clippy?
Well, he's annoying.
Yeah.
And useless.
Yeah.
I don't like the start button.
Okay.
That's so
So
silly.
this video was not at all about Supermium. I was just using that as a distraction. I mean, it's a pretty good program, but it was just a distraction while all these things were going on the screen.
Which I didn't fall for.
And I can't believe we've been sitting here for like over 12 hours now, you know?
12 hours?
Yeah, it's 6:06 p.m. now. We've really got to just end the day. It's actually 8:03 p.m. now.
No, see, just nah.
So,
Just no.
so there is a website called RJL Software. It's just too hard, even for me to get.
Even for you.
Yep, okay, so let's go
But
on.
apparently it's possible, I heard you say before.
So desktop icons are still there. Okay.
Well, where would they go? I mean, what, is he going to eat them or something? Seriously. Do they just randomly disappear?
RGL Software, they have a bunch of pranks, right? And you download these pranks. For example, there's one called Avoid, a harmless prank that makes your Windows Start button avoid the mouse. Mm-hmm. So that, you were witnessing that. You were also experiencing something called Pop-Up. Where is the Pop-Up one?
And now it's 12:24 a.m.
Yeah, Pop-Up. And that's a time traveler prank where the time keeps changing every 30 seconds. And someone will look at, is it my lunch break? Oh, what? And get so confused, you know what I mean? So that's what this RJL pranks is. There are a few more pranks I want to show you, but I will disable, obviously, this annoying prank. Okay, so I got rid of that prank,
Get rid of that.
I detected a mouse move. No, that's Clippy. That just comes with
Just
XP.
get rid of him.
You realise that he's not a part of XP?
Get rid of him.
Okay.
So all these pranks that I didn't actually end up falling for, the Supermium.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a great thing for people who
are still using XP.
Yeah, basically just got left behind.
Yeah.
Here's a way they can catch up.
Okay, so there are a few
Okay.
more pranks I want to show you, but they require Windows Vista. So there is a special program that allows you to upgrade to Windows Vista in just 3 minutes, I think it takes, which it used to take like half an hour. Mm-hmm. So this is amazing. Let's give this a run. It uses the Windows Update system. So this is the second program I'm showing you today. So Supermium was the first, and this is the second real program. So install Windows Vista with this new fast installer. It is third party, and it just has to make sure the computer's able to. And don't worry, I did give it enough RAM and stuff, this machine. It is compatible with Vista. Vista at the time, do you remember, it was hard to upgrade to?
Oh, I don't remember. It was so long ago now.
Well, it was hard to upgrade.
And you did all my upgrades anyway.
It required like, it was heavy on the computer resources, if you know what I mean.
What, just to upgrade or actually
to use
run
it? To use it. That's why they had, this system scammer to make sure. Sorry, system scanner. Sorry, scammer. Your computer
you're letting
can
things out. Your
computer can run Windows Vista, so just click close.
And you're the scammer in all this.
No, with all those other things. So Windows Vista Ultimate is the most complete edition. Just click continue on all of this. And you've got all these new features, Windows Aero with Flip and all of that. Windows Vista was definitely a huge upgrade in looks, but it kind of came with a bit of bloatware. It was a drag, yeah. And it was hard for the computers to run at the time. So, upgrade successful, click close. Now it's just rebooting. What's that face?
I'm watching that face to see, because you don't have a good poker face. So Windows I know Vista. Something's coming up just by the look of that face. Okay, so you've now installed Vista. So as you can see, Vista is very nice. What? And very Mac-like.
It looks like a Mac, doesn't it? Yeah. It's not quite Vista, is it?
No, it's not. Very Mac-like.
This is the problem with third-party tools.
Superbia. So we're now blaming Superbia for
So feel free to use your computer now.
So I've got the Microsoft thing there.
Yeah.
On the Mac dock.
And Firefox and Safari
and
just kind of appeared. And the Firefox.
Oh, and a Safari. That's a weird thing to have on on a Windows type thing.
Okay, it's a prank. It's not really the Vista. That was another one of RJLPranks. Now today you witnessed 6 pranks.
Which I didn't fall for.
Well, actually you didn't even notice one of the pranks.
What was the prank?
I want you to stare at that mouse cursor. Stare at it very carefully. It's been doing something continuously throughout this whole video and you never noticed it. Just stare at it really carefully.
Was it going to be a jump scare now?
It's been doing it throughout the whole video and you haven't noticed. In fact, it did it when you just looked at me. You looked away for one moment and it did it and you missed it. Yeah. It's a rude finger. You know how it's that finger that clicks? You know that finger? It does the rude finger up. So there you go. Those are the pranks I decided to prank you with today. Out of all of them, what do you think was the best prank? See, the finger. So it does that rude finger. And you wouldn't even notice, you see. No, because you'd think it was like the clicking finger. Yeah, you'd think it's a pointing finger. Yeah. So, yeah. And that was a Vista upgrade prank. So there you go. So does that actual software really exist? Or that was just a prank too? Oh, that was just a prank too. Fast upgrading. So we've done nothing useful. So today, it was a video that we pretended was about Supermium, but it was really about all these pranks. So we'll end this video off by... But on a useful note, Supermium does exist, and it is a useful thing for outdated software. Just XP or other ones too? It's a Chromium fork for Windows XP and 2003 and up. So it's Windows XP and newer, essentially. Okay, got it. So 2003 and all the other ones have lost support as well, to the extent that... Well, let's say you went to download Chrome download. Look, Chrome download, let's see what would happen. For Windows 11 and Windows 10. So even if you're using Windows 7 or Vista, you can't... It's outdated. It's outdated, so you can't have Chrome on anything that's older than 10 or 11, really. But yeah, the thing is, if you stuck with an operating system for so long that it lost support... I mean, like, for example, Windows 10 support end. You can find out what the date is, 2025, this year. So Windows 10 will no longer be supported. No way. They will by Microsoft, but then after that, Chrome and Firefox might support them for a bit longer. Then they'll be like, nah, we won't release it anymore. You could keep using the latest version of Firefox before it was stopped supported, but then as websites update and stuff, then it'll become incompatible. So that's why you got to kind of stay up to date. Anyway, so here is the website, RJLPranks.com. A lot of them are detected by virus scanners as viruses, so you actually have to, if you want to actually download them, you need to go into your Chrome settings, go to privacy and security, then go into security, and then go on to no protection rather than standard protection. Okay, so you go to that. Otherwise, if you try and download these, it'll say, oh, sorry, could be a virus, could be a virus, because, you know, the behaviour of them. So you've got add and remove, pretends to remove all the software from the machine. Do you get what I mean? So someone, it's all of a sudden, it's, deleting this, and I need all that stuff, and all your files are being deleted, backwards mouse. So that reverses the mouse on the desktop. So you start putting your mouse that way, and it goes that way instead. And the person in the office break, it's like, I can't click it. Frustrating. I'm glad you didn't use that one. Yeah, and that was the... click start will make the mouse go and click the start button every 45 seconds. So you're trying to do stuff, then I didn't want to do that. And copy the cursor, replicates it around the screen so the cursor's there, and then you've got a bunch of cursors all over the screen.
What's dirty mouse?
Dirty mouse makes them think the mouse ball is dirty. It makes it, if you click on it, it tells you more about it. So it simulates the mouse ball being dirty. How many times have you tried to move the mouse and it doesn't move? So it's like you move the mouse and, it's not working. And they think the ball needs to be cleaned. Yeah. So that's what dirty mouse is. So, yeah.
Because I thought it was dirty in a different way.
No. Okay, but that is it. They've got 46 different pranks and stuff that are just, mouse droppings. It does little poos every now and then and stuff.
Oh my gosh.
So, yeah. But yeah, and random farting and burping sounds every now and then, and you're in an office, and the person looking around wondering where it's coming from. You get what I mean? And shakedown where the screen starts shaking and stuff, and you think, oh, what's wrong, and the finger. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of OSFirstTimer, and we'll see you guys in the next episode.
Where I won't be fooled.